You can eat the healthiest food, take the best supplements, drink the best water. But if your digestion is weak, your body absorbs almost none of it. If you're not absorbing nutrients, you can't heal. Period. We were taught that you are what you eat, but that's wrong. The truth is, you are what you absorb. And most people with chronic conditions absorb very little of what they consume, even if they're eating clean. I once worked with a client who was taking top supplements, probiotics, enzymes, clean diet, organic food, and still she was exhausted, bloated, inflamed, and nutrient deficient. Why is that? Because her digestion was broken. It didn't matter what she swallowed, her body wasn't using it. Once we fixed digestion first, everything else began working. Here's some education as to why digestion must come first. 1. Your stomach acid is the on switch of digestion. Low stomach acid equal poor breakdown of food. This leads to undigested proteins, gas and bloating, nutrient deficiencies, food intolerances, weak immunity, and gut inflammation. Most people think they have too much acid, but in reality, they often have too little. 2. Your pancreas must release enzymes. Enzymes break down proteins into amino acids, fats into fatty acids, carbs into glucose, fiber into short-chain fatty acids. If enzymes are low, digestion stalls. 3. Your gallbladder must release bile. Bile breaks down fats and removes toxins. If bile flow is sluggish, you get bloating, nausea, right shoulder pain, constipation, poor detox, and vitamin deficiencies. 4. Your gut lining must be intact. Inflamed or leaky gut causes poor absorption, nutrient loss, autoimmune flare-ups, food sensitivities, and chronic inflammation. 5. Your gut bacteria must be balanced. Even the best food can't compensate for dysbiosis, yeast overgrowth, low probiotics, and poor microbiome diversity. If the microbiome is off, healing is slow. You don't have a nutrition problem, you have an absorption problem. Fix digestion first and everything else finally starts working. Here's the restoration sequence. Digestion repair is step 4 of the restoration sequence. Here is the full flow of that sequence. 1 is open detox pathways. 2 is hydrate and replenish minerals. 3 is calm stress and inflammation. 4 is repair digestion. 5, restore cellular communication. 6, build cellular energy. 7, activate stem cell repair. And 8, maintain. Once digestion is restored, nutrients start getting absorbed again, and your healing accelerates. If you've been eating clean or taking supplements, and you still feel the same, your body might not be absorbing nutrients. If you want clarity on where your digestion is blocked, I offer a free 30-minute consultation on Zoom. Click the link or comment ready to book.